Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
I think so. I just think people are, well, you know, people get shit stolen up there every year too, so.
Damn. All right, so your name's Dustin. What's in here, man?
Currently we got 6 B2HN 15s on 1 8K, Torrance MD 8K.
Nice. The back two are inverted? Was there a reason for that?
No, just, so this used to be Patrick Etheridge, Florida Water Savers Blazer.
Okay.
And a buddy of mine bought it from him and dropped the HNs in. He's changed it up like a couple times with them all inverted, all normal.
Yeah.
A mix of both. So I just haven't changed it yet. Like I said, I got 6 ZV6s to go in here on 3 8Ks.
Wow.
I was supposed to pick my mids up today, but I didn't have time to put my other door panels on. So I don't have any mids, bro.
Bases all. Bases it. No big deal. You got a lot of fur action too.
Yep. That was not my doing. I don't like that shit.
I used to like it, but then I realized it blocks the pressure and flexes a lot. Anyway,
it looks better than, you know, just having, you know, whatever. But
yeah. Do you know the specs on the enclosure? Like the sealed section?
It should be about 10 on the sealed and about 20 on the pointed side.
Okay.
Thinking about rebuilding it and doing a cage. To be honest with you.
Metal or wood? Or metal?
No,
it's a big project.
Yeah. I've gotten a little good with the woodwork, so
yeah.
Just do some Air Forces real quick, I guess.
All right.
Race cars.
Comfy.
What the fuck is calling me, bro?
What frequency was that?
That was like 42, I think.
42?
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
43 or something.
Nice.
It plays lows too.
Okay. Yeah, I'd like to hear if you got, what did you say, mid-20s or?
Yeah, I could do something around there.
Okay.
Yeah, I can't wait to get the damn ZV6s in here.
Oh man, yeah, I'm sure.
Do,
a lot of motor force.
yeah, dude, they're so heavy, man. It's not even fun.
You're putting them in, it's coming.
I do not want to put these in there. No shit.
Window up or down?
Don't matter, bro.
Okay.
I hate not having any fucking mids though, man.
Yeah, you don't sometimes notice what you're playing.
Like that.
Yeah, like that. Hey, thanks for showing me, Dustin.
Yeah, bro.
Can I see the back?
It's just an 8K, bro. That's all. It's a phone.
Okay.
Be honest with you. I've only had this thing for about 3 weeks.
Yeah.
So I haven't been able to do much.
Yes, sir.
Just been kind of doing what I've been trying to do after work. So
I understand. Yes, sir.
you got to get it whenever I get done with it.
Yeah, man.
For real.
Yeah, for sure.
Because I got 180 amp hours.